Hi everyone and welcome back to Barker's Cocktail Bar with another crazy cocktail vid. I'm Benidorm Crazy Marcus and welcome once again. Come and join me as we take another look at how to make a well-known cocktail. Of course, as you probably know, Benidorm is known for its cocktails. Just before we get in, brand new sign, speech bubble, and it lights up as well, if you can see that. Top quality. Anyway, so the cocktail I'm going to make today is called the Roo-Roo, named after Ric Flair, I believe. So starting off, you're going to need a cocktail shaker, some cocktail ice. I'll get some out on spoon to show you. There, just little bits of ice. You're also going to need some peach schnapps, some vodka. Now this is a cheap vodka, costs €5 from Mercadona, and it's 37.5% alcohol volume, so only a little tinsy wincy drop of it in cocktails today. And last but not least, cranberry juice. So let's get started. Grab your cocktail shaker, going around to take the lid off, put a few bits of ice in there. That should do. Next up, you're going to add some vodka. Yummy. The Russians drink. Then next up, bit of peach schnapps in the mix. Okay, to go in next, bit of cranberry juice. Now with the Roo-Roo, it is optional to add a little tinsy drop of lime juice if you want. Fresh lime juice or just lime flavoured juice maybe. We're not going to do that today, we're just going to leave it as it is. Right, next up, put your lid back on your cocktail shaker and make sure it is secure. They fastened so that you don't have what happened to me last week happen, and just give it a nice firm shake. Shake it like Shakira, or shake it like Miley Cyrus. Probably be better if I had boobs, be better to watch, but of course I'm just a fat bloke. And that's enough shaking, you're going to get your cocktail glass. Now you can call this glass a cocktail glass, a highball glass, or of course a martini glass. And now you're going to want to fill the glass with ice. Not going to put too much in, because the ice is melting, so that might make your drink a bit watery. Take this tiny top lid off and strain it into the cocktail glass. Now, I haven't had a ruby for ages, so not entirely too sure if it's meant to look that colour. Does look quite a nice colour. Going to grab myself a straw and give it a taste. Going with a purple straw today. Bottoms up. Quite nice that. Quite fruity as well. Bit like a sort of jungle juice, really. I think that the cranberry juice counteracts the alcohol. Oh. Okay, gonna pause you for a few seconds while I get the beautiful Benidorm family to come have a try as well.
Right guys, how many we're going to try today?
Okay guys, family's with us, Scooter C, Mad Mike, time to get them a bit tipsy. So guys, the question is, would any of you like ice?
Yeah, go on, a bit of ice in there, why not?
I mean, it's
really warm again.
It's a bit melted, so
that's alright, just put it in there.
It's kind of just water.
A bit more ice I think you need, Marcus.
I think I probably need to call
this
this
way a
back.
bit, you stuff camera.
Am I?
Yeah, there
Here
we
I
go.
am.
Here's him guys.
Right, gonna pour them a drink.
What we got today, Marcus?
We have got a nice woo-woo.
A woo-woo.
Not to be confused with a poo-poo.
No, that's darker stuff.
Strawberry one?
Nah, go with it straight as it is, Marcus. No umbrellas, I notice.
There are.
What happens if it rains?
You get wet. Before we start, I would like to tell you guys a joke.
Cheers, guys.
My girlfriend left me the other night when she discovered I've only got 9 toes. I think she might be lactose intolerant.
Cheers.
The woo-woo.
Salute.
Cough.
Oh. Bit strong, ain't it?
Cranberry juice. Vodka.
And peach schnapps.
And peach schnapps. Lovely.
Bit strong, I think I may have put a wee bit too much cranberry juice in it.
The cranberry juice got no alcohol in.
Peach schnapps.
It looks a good colour anyway.
Yeah, it does look a nice colour, nice red colour. Red, of course, the colour of Liverpool. What a terrible loss over the weekend, eh?
Would I go for that one again, Marcus? Probably not. I'd probably go back to the
Benidorm Crazy
Crazy
Marcus
Marcus got,
special. I knew you'd like
yeah.
it. So guys,
Yeah, so
it's
drinkable.
drinkable, it's refreshing, isn't it?
Yeah, it's
What
refreshing.
do you think, Mum?
I think it's a wee bit strong, maybe a bit more cranberry juice, I think.
You face the camera, they
It's
can see you.
nice.
Magically moving straw, the wind blows it round the glass.
Yeah, very good, Marcus. Can't love them all, but yeah, that's
Yeah.
drinkable. I wouldn't refuse it.
Cheers. I mean, there's some cocktails people like and some I don't like. I mean, here in Benidorm especially, we do tend to have some cocktails that are actually special to Benidorm, and I think Mateo's bar being one of the bars that do like cocktails specific to them.
Yeah,
Think
just done off
not.
the series, haven't they? Renamed them.
Kind of, yeah. I think one's called like a Magis Mobility Scooter, something like that. And it's basically just every single bit of alcohol they've got in this bar mixed together. And it basically just says you'll probably be needing one of Magis Mobility Scooters after.
That's coming here, I think. Trying to kill us, guys.
I'm not trying to kill you. You got no money. Salute.
Don't know how I'm going to cook a Sunday
Cheers.
dinner. More?
Nah.
We'll end the video then, Marcus, are we?
Alright,
Thanks for watching, guys.
thanks for watching everyone. And
Salute.
stay tuned for more Barcus cocktail videos.
Salute.
See you on the next one.